Hello grade 6. Today we are going to start to answer the revision sheet of the English. First of all, before starting the questions, we have to study the spelling words of lesson 15 and lesson 16. Let's revise the spelling words of lesson 15. Revise, advantages, memorize, active, organize, criticize, shortage, advertise, attractive, college, explosive, exercise, encourage, summarize, wreckage, recognize, positive, percentage, sensitive, heritage. And then we will move to the spelling words of lesson 16. Confident, confidence, fragrant, fragrance, excellent, excellence, decent, decency, truant, truancy, brilliant, brilliance, resident, residence, evident, evidence, occupant, occupancy, reluctant, reluctance. Now we will start with the vocabulary. Answer the following questions on your answer sheet. Choose the best answer for each question. Number 1. What does the word supple mean in the sentence below? The word supple. Mara's fingers were fast and supple. They are really skillful. Okay? As they flew across the piano keys. She's playing the piano. So here, fast and supple. What does it mean, supple? Highly trained, bending easily, quickly changing, sore after exercising. Actually, yes, it will be bending easily while using the piano keys. Let's move to number 2. What does the word tote mean in the sentence below? The tote fishing line told Shelby that there was a fish on her hook. Here, tote fishing line means pulled tight, neat and tidy, badly tangled, secured to a post. So, yes, it will be A. Pulled tight, pulled tight. Let's move to number 3. What does the word careening mean in the sentence below? Alice went careening around the ice skating rink, causing other skaters to fall. Here, what does mean when careening around? Spinning, straightening, moving widely, moving gracefully. Yes, it will be moving wildly. Careening means moving wildly. Number 4. What does the word undulating mean in the sentence below? The flag was undulating gracefully in the gentle breeze. Here, undulating means drooping, snapping, shaking hard, moving like a wave. So, it will be undulating means moving like a wave. Yeah, do you remember when I told you it means something wavy? Undulating means something wavy. Number 5. What does the word jostled mean in the sentence below? Although Dad drove carefully down the dirt road, we were still jostling in the back seat. Can you imagine that Dad is driving in the dirt road? It means that it's not a ready road. So here, jostling in the back seat means what? Mix it together, scattered around, handled with care, bumped and shaken. Yes, it will be D, bumped and shaken. Let's move to number 6. What does the word endanger mean in the sentence below? Pollutants in the river will endanger the fish. What does mean endanger the fish here? Means make safer, put in danger, make dangerous, protect from danger. Will endanger the fish means put in danger, put in danger. Number 7. What does the word sacrificed mean in the sentence below? The word sacrificed. He sacrificed the contents of his piggy bank to help his sister purchase a bicycle helmet. So here, purchased means give up, withheld, collected, loaned out. Actually, yes, it will be gave up. He gave up the contents of his piggy bank to help his sister purchase a bicycle helmet. So sacrifice here means give up. Number 8. What does the word frigid mean in the sentence below? Blake enjoys the frigid temperatures in January. Blake enjoys the frigid temperatures in January. So here, frigid means normal, inviting, very cold or miserable. Yeah, frigid means very cold, from the word fridge or refrigerator. Let's move to number 9. What does the word expanse mean in the sentence below? Astronomers search for stars in the vast expanse of the universe. I mean the universe, it means the whole world up. So, does it mean expanse a dark area, a large area, a large number, a confined space? Expanse mean, yes, it means B, a large area, a large area. Number 10. What does the word deduced mean in the sentence below? Deduced. After finding the paw prints, Aunt Jackie deduced that raccoons had eaten the corn in her garden. Deduce something is related to think with your mind. Okay? So, here means concluded, doubted, misunderstood, or overlooked. Actually, it will mean concluded. Concluded means she knew and understood it, so it will be concluded. Let's move to number 11. What does the word equivalent mean in the sentence below? Equivalent. Jason said watching the pouring movie was equivalent to watching paint dry. So here, equivalent means worse than, harder than, the same as, or different from. Equivalent is from the word equal, so it will be C, the same as. Equivalent means the same as. Very good. Let's move to number 12. What does the word understatement mean in the sentence below? To describe that hilarious comedian as amusing is an understatement. Here in number 12, understatement means comparison, false advertising, huge exaggeration, or overly mild statement. Understatement means, yes, it will be D. Overly mild statement. Mild statement. Number 13. What does the word veered mean in the sentence below? The sailboat veered off course in the gusting wind. So here, veered, tipped over, moved quickly, steered correctly, changed direction. Veered means, yes, D, changing direction. Changing direction. Number 14. What does the word anonymous mean in the sentence below? Do you remember the picture that I showed you before in our session with a man putting in his face a mask, so we didn't know him? This was anonymous. So the donor of the generous gift to the food bank wishes to remain anonymous. Anonymous here means familiar, helpful, important, or unnamed. Yes, I hear somebody say it will be D, unnamed. We didn't know his name or her name. And the last question for today, it's question number 15. What does the word emulate mean in the sentence below? Brian wishes to emulate the fine performance of his violin teacher. Brian wishes to emulate the fine performance of his violin teacher. Here it means learn from, compete with, improve upon, or strive to equal. Emulate, guys, it means to do the same or to imitate. So emulate will mean strive to equal, to be the same as his violin teacher in his experience. We will stop in question number 15 today. So every day we are going to answer 15 questions and revising the spelling words. I wish that you understood everything. Please study well and study day by day. Okay? Do your best and see you. Goodbye.